What's going on? My name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair, and I'm super excited because I'm coming back to Europe, and that means we're doing more courses. So if you're watching this little video, I probably think you're looking for the international course, which would be an English-only course. We're not doing a whole bunch of languages with that one or anything like that, and it's going to be 7 days straight. Okay, so 7 days straight in English, we're doing the thing, okay? What that comprises of is we're going to be doing a bit of level 2, which is going to be mostly focused on things that you probably should know, as well as the 5 stages of a level 2 repair, maybe some battery stuff, some other fun things that, like I said, things that you probably need to know or just review on, right? But the main meaty portion of this course is actually going to be the level 3 portion, which is mostly going to be focused on the hand skills, teaching you how to do all the different little fun things, charging ports, HDMI ports, capacitors, resistors, diodes, doing IC chips, reballing them, SIM card trays, any of that weird fun stuff, FPC connectors. I don't know if I already said that, but all the things that are going to make you money right now, we're going to be focusing on those, okay? There will be a portion on diagnostics, but, you know, this is not a super deep, heavy diagnostics course. We will give you everything you need to be able to do all of the diagnostics, but when you'll see, you're going to see how it all makes sense. But anyway, with that, there are 2 different options for you in terms of the date, okay? And this is really important. The first one, and I'm going to read it off the board here, is the 19th through the 26th of August. That's 8 days, not 7, Justin. The reason for that is if you sign up for the first course on option 1 here, we're actually going to take one of those days and go to Amsterdam. We're going to have a fun time. It's going to be like a repair vacation. We're going to have fun, we're going to learn some things, and we're going to go hang out in Amsterdam for the day. It's going to be a good old time, right? Now, if you want to go for option 2 and you want to skip that little vacation day and just come for the 7 days, no worries. September 3rd, yep, that's right, September 3rd through the 9th. That's 7 days straight. We're going to make it happen. You know what I'm saying? 7 days straight. So those are the times, like I said. And it's going to be 9 a.m. through 5:30 p.m. So we're just going to be grinding out every single day. By the time you're done, you're going to want to go home and put your head down. I promise you. That's how it always works out. Now, with that putting your head down thing, we did figure out all the hotel stuff, meaning that if you take this course, we have the hotel stuff already kind of booked in there with it, and they do provide breakfast, and we will pick you up and drop you off after class. And what else am I forgetting? Ah, yes, we will do lunch at the course, okay? And that means that I'm going to go to the grocery store and figure out all the stuff that we want to eat, and I'm going to bring it in there so that we can do the whole thing and not have to worry about it so much. So with that, I really hope to see you there, and yeah, we're going to have a whole lot of fun. I hope you are ready. And what else? Am I forgetting anything else? Oh yeah, you don't need to know anything to come take this course. You can be fresh off the street, or you can be in this for years. It doesn't matter. I guarantee that you're going to take something away from it. In fact, the last thing that I got to say in here is that once you pay for this course, you are always welcome to come back. We're a community. As soon as you pay for that course, if you don't get every detail of it, just come back for the next one. We're not going to charge you again. The only thing you're going to have to pay for is your room and stay, and that's really about it. So anyway, hope to see you there.